welcome to it. Welcome to it. Everybody know that he is a woman. Nobody knows the trouble I see. What is now said? Q, who will be brought before me today?
Your Honor, I have before you today people of disgrace. They have done some of everything. These are the worst criminals I've ever seen. They have broken so many of your laws, and they don't even seem to have any remorse for their actions. The crimes that they have committed are blatant crimes against you, against humanity, against themselves, and most importantly, against you and your sacred laws. I say that each and every one of them should be punished to the fullest extent of the law.
Let them speak in their defense. I will hear them.
Lawbreaker 1, stand. You have been charged with theft. You were caught in the act of robbing one of the largest financial institutions in the kingdom. There were many witnesses present, and the stolen evidence was found in your possession.
Shame on you.
I can't imagine what you could possibly say in your defense, but you may speak.
Your Honor, I beg this court to have mercy on me. I know I was wrong in what I did. I can only make excuses. My parents, they were mean to me, and I got in with the wrong crowd. I never learned how to be an honest in life. I know that the punishment for my crime is severe, and I know that I deserve it. I have broken a very important law. All I can do is fall upon this court and ask for your mercy.
Mercy? There can be no mercy for you. Every crime must be dealt with. And there is a punishment for every crime, and you must take it. A law broken cannot be swept under the table because the criminal cries for mercy. No, There are consequences. There's a punishment for every crime. Now sit down.
Hey.
Lawbreaker 2, stand up.
Yes.
You're charged with lying. Oh my goodness, you are a horrible liar. You told so many lies, and many lives have been affected by the lies that you told. I don't think you even know how to tell the truth anymore. This crime is the worst crime.
The worst crime? The even worse crime is not as bad as stealing and murder.
But you got caught.
Well, I didn't tell nothing but a few white lies. You want to tell some black ones?
A lie is a lie, regardless to what color you attach to it. The lies you've told have hurt countless people. It has affected their livelihoods, their families, and their relationships. And all done for your own personal gain. There is a law against speaking of falsehood, and someone as guilty as you are, having been caught in numerous lies, should be punished to the fullest extent of the law.
That's not fair. I can stop lying. I guarantee you just give me another chance.
You lying now.
Well, you got to give me another chance. I can do better. I can stop lying. They never taught me this not to lie. So I can stop lying. Give me another chance. In baseball, 3 strikes is out. I need another chance.
This is not a game.
Right.
There are no second chances when you break the law of the kingdom. You are guilty, and you must pay.
Okay, what's the fine?
More than you can afford. Now sit down. Lawbreaker 3, please rise. You have been charged with the crime of adultery. We don't take this crime The law states that couples must remain faithful to each other, and that no one shall be physically joined together who are not married.
People don't teach that law anymore. It's a new day. Nobody teaches that law anymore.
You may think that it's different and people don't keep laws anymore, but the truth is, it is still a law, and you are guilty of breaking it. How do you plead?
How can I be guilty of breaking the law? I can't understand that. Me guilty of breaking the law? Nobody even keeps it.
It's a law, you broke it. How can you say that you are not guilty? You were clearly caught in the act. Your partner has already confessed, and you have even admitted to guilt by your own statements.
Right here.
My defense is everybody's doing it. The preacher doing it, the deacons doing it, even the president of the United States did it and got away with it. So
But
how
you
come
got
I
caught.
can't do it?
Because you got caught.
That's no excuse. It's a law, and all laws are taken seriously. You must be punished appropriately.
That's not fair. That's just not fair. I can't help it because I'm just plain old.
I'll object to that.
That's not how it works. You broke it, you pay for it. Every law broken has a consequence to pay.
That's right.
Now, sit down and take your punishment. Now, Your Honor, that's all I have before you today. But as you can clearly see, they are all guilty of their crimes and need to be punished to the fullest extent of the law. None of them have given any evidence of their innocence, nor have they shown any reason why they should not be condemned. I submit to you that they are all guilty and all have the severest punishment that the law allows.
Will that be all accusing?
Yes, Your Honor. Seems like an easy decision to me.
Well, as judge and lawgiver of this kingdom, the final decision on the fate of these three individuals rests completely and solely in my hands. As all law-abiding citizens should know, you obviously don't, but they should know that the laws are there for our protection. They keep us righteous and honest in all our endeavors. Just because people around you are breaking the law is no excuse for you to break the law. Perhaps we were not taught as a child right from wrong, or our past situations and environment got us into bad situations. But these things don't matter, because the law is the law, and that has not changed. You are all guilty of breaking the law, and the punishment is very severe indeed.
Lord have mercy, Jesus.
As you all know,
They gonna kill me for lying. Lord have mercy, Jesus have mercy on me.
all right,
I stop lying, I promise.
as you all know, as judge and lawgiver, I am also the Lord of all the land. All final decision rests in my hand. In the good book, it says of the Lord and lawgiver, if you, Lord, should mark iniquity, O Lord, who can stand? But there is forgiveness with you, that you may be feared. For with the Lord there is loving kindness, and with him is an abundant redemption.
Of course, Your Honor. But surely you also require that they keep your laws and that all lawbreakers be punished. The law states that they must pay for their crimes against you and against the kingdom.
And the law will be carried out.
Very good, Your Honor. Lawbreakers, stand for the sentence.
I hereby state. All right. You're overacting. I hereby state that the 3 criminals who stand before me today are guilty of their crimes. However, they will not suffer the punishment for those crimes. And I will now let them go free, forgiven of all charges.
But Your Honor, you cannot break your own laws. The law states that they must be free. These crimes cannot go unpunished.
They shall not.
Thank you, Jesus.
The punishment will go to another.
Another, who?
I will take the punishment for them. I will take their place.
But, Your Honor, the punishment for these crimes is death.
Thank you, Jesus.
Yes. And I will die for once for them. Not just them, but all of them.